we want to reflect on the word nothing. I guess that you've used that word sometimes or even many times. But I've come to believe to a large extent that there's nothing like nothing. What you call nothing is something. You may not be able to put your finger on it, you may not be able to put it into words, but if you think carefully, you see that there's nothing like nothing. That thing you call nothing is something. Suppose you sit down and say, what are you thinking about? You say nothing. I've come to know that our mind was never 100% blank. Like we say in science, nature permits no vacuum. Anywhere there is vacuum, it is artificially created. These materials there, the form of matter there are being sucked out to create the vacuum. But in nature, there is nothing like nothing. So try to make sure you reflect on that word and let me have your comments later that anything is something and what you call nothing is something. That is why don't just settle down and say nothing, nothing, kò sí nǹkan kan, kò sí nǹkan kan, kò sí nǹkan tó jẹ́, kò sí nǹkan kan. There's nothing like nothing. It's always something. So whatever may want to disturb your joy or your peace, try to identify it and deal with it. Whatsoever may try to disturb your joy, identify it and deal. Say nothing. Kilo kò sí nǹkan kan. No. Identify. There's always something. And that something, whatever it is, has a solution, as an antidote. So as you continue under the grace of the Most High, and the month of December and every other month thereof shall come to add positive values to your life. Have a blessed day. Have a blessed week. Thank you. Subscribe, comment, and share.